Okay, start of our second game. Pacers versus Heat. Number 7. Yes, 2 points by number 7. Number 17. To number 8. By Buck. No good. Rebound by number 7. 7 to number. Ay, sumobed out. Ay, back to number 7 again. No. Rebound by number 3 to 7. 10 seconds. Number 2. Number 7. 3 seconds violation. Gray ball. Team Gray, number 17. To number 8. 21. Ay, nagitlog din. 3 seconds by 14. Bola. Ball, guys. Give the ball to there. Number 30. Number 7. Pass to 28. 23 pala. Up. Out of the line. Gray ball. Behind enemy line. 21 to 17. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5. Ay, black. Kuha ni number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 2. Yes, 2 points by number 2. 4-0. Up. Cute.
Ay, sorry. Abi ko mo ni sa speaker.
Table.
Sorry.
Nabunod. Sorry. Wait.
Abi ko mo ni sa speaker.
6 pala. Wait. 7. 7. Okay. 4-0. Hindi na gagawin siya. Napisip ko i-start mo na yan. Ako.
Abi ko sa speaker, good.
Yes, okay. Ah, 2 points again by number 2. Tangkad eh. Nakascore man. Nakasubi ng chirper nito ah. 21. And number 18. Ay, steal by number 3. Back to number 7. That's up. Speed to number 28. 2 points by number 28. Score 8-0. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Ay, agaw by number 7 ulit. Ay, okay. Doubling by carrying the ball, number 7. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Eight zero the ball. 21. Hey, but no good. Okay, by number 7.
Siyempre,
Number
dapat
3.
ganon.
Number 7. Number 2 ulit. Ay, hindi umabot.
Kasali ka pala sa Patriots.
21.
Buti na nahatid mo.
Foul. Number 2 pushing foul. Team Blue. First team foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 8 to number 21. To number 17. No good.
Oh.
Score 10-0. Ay, wala pa din. Di pa rin. Ay, out of line. Blue ball. Remaining time 4 minutes and 23 seconds to our first period. 10-0 pa din. Number 13 na mamadali. Ay! Pinipit ng bala. 8. Substitution left. 16, 8 out. Okay. Remaining time 4 minutes. So our first quarter. Number 7, 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Back to 14. Ay! So, binit-bit ulit yung bola. Traveling violation. Give to the referee. Okay, number 17. Pull up jump, no good. Di pa may 18. Wala pa din. Binit ulit. Ay, black boy number 2. Tangkad.
Sana 0-10.
7 to number 28. Lorenzo. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 2. Yes, 2 points right there, number 2. Just stay there, okay? Winning time, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 17, 16, 6, 17 ulit. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by. Foul. 30. Substitution left. Substitution. Okay. Second team na. No good. For 14. Yes, 1 point by number 14. Hey, another 2 points by number 2. 14-1. Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds to our first period. Pull up jump, 23, wala. One number 14, blocked again by number 2. Maintain, diretso, dumiretso, side step. Ay! May kasamang foul. Number 21. First personal foul, second. First team foul. And the 8 first attempt. Yes, 1 point by number 28. Substitution left. Number 6, first foul. Second team foul. No good. First attempt. Ready to rebound, guys. Remaining time 21 seconds. Rebound by number 6. 14 seconds. Ay! 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of our second quarter. Score 15-1. Kumahan ng 14 ang Team Blue. Gray ball. Blue, gray ball. Start the bar concern on second traveling violation. Starting of our second period. Number 7. 15 seconds. Ay, agaw ni number 21. Kamadali. Nice. Layup number 21. Scored 15-3. Mountain Dawson. Team Blue. 7. 30. 3 points.
Wow.
3 points by number 30. Score 18-3. 24. No good. Rebound by number 7. Pasa. Kay 28. Nagagawan pa ni number 1 to number 0. Number 2. 10 seconds. Ay, foul. Let's foul him. Number 15. 15. No good. 15, first personal foul. Sagal. First team foul. And the rebound. No good. Rebound by 24. And it's 21 ulit. Wala. Rebound by number 2. 7. Zeblan German the ball. Pass to 2. Good. Yes, 2 points by 2. Score 20 versus 3. 17 lead by Team Blue. Steal the number 7. Ay, agaw ni number 6 to 21. Ay, awal goal ulit ni number 7. Agawan na sila. Diretso. Yes, 2 points by number 7. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Lead po tayo. 0, 29 to 7. 7, pass to ay! Nag-line pass, happy puso tayo. Ang sakit pala nito. Remaining time po natin, 6:55. 21 to number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. 40 back. Ay, wala. Ay, aqua! Great net. 21. Abot. 7 na mamadali. Leading ball. 15 seconds. Yep. Yes, 2 points by number 7. Score 24 versus 3. 21 lead ng Team Blue. 21, so good.
Ano ba yan? Hindi pumapasok.
28. Ay, look pass. Rebound by number 50.
Go, Jared, go!
Blue ball, blue ball. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 43 seconds in the second period. 7. Screen with number 30. 7. 15 seconds. Foul. Traveling violation committed by number 2. 21. Number 8. Lena. To 21 ulit. 15 seconds. Back to 15. Black. 10. 2 points by number 18. Score 25-5, 26-5. 21 lead by blue team. Remaining time, 10 minutes and 4 minutes. Last 2 points by Adi. Score 28-5. Remaining time, 10 minutes and 36 seconds. 21, 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by 15. 10 to shoot. Back to 14. Rebound by Adi. Nakuha ng 14 ulit. Number 8. Foul. 2. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Dalawa. Remaining time, 3 minutes. Stop. Wait. 1 point committed by number 18. Sorry. All yun. Substitution left. Remaining time 2 minutes and 8 seconds. So our second period. Number 7. Number 3. Ay, nabitawan yung bola. Bravo. 21. Diretso. Sidestep. Rebound by 18. Wala pa din. Nakuha. Nakakuha. 21 ulit. 10 seconds. Wala. 18. Yes, 2 points by number 18. Score 28-8. 20 lead by Team Blue. Adi. No good. Rebound by 21. Is 21. Yes, 2 points. Number 20. Ay, yeah, tama nga. 21. Score 28-10. 18 lead by blue team. Ali. 3-point line. Number 7. 15 to shoot. Ay, steal by 14. Steal again by number 7. To number 3. Oh, no good. Rebound by 21. Foul. Substitution. Who's fouled up? Number 3. First personnel. Third team foul. 20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. No good. 10 seconds. 14. No good ulit. Everybody number 8. 5 seconds. 1. Not counted. Not basket. Score 28-10. 18 lead by Team Blue. End of our second period. Gray ball, gray. Since blue kanina, gray ball. Head up. Number 30. Quickly. Pass to 28. Ay! Wrong pass to number 6. Ay, I steal. Post foul them. Number 6. Second personal. First team foul by number 6 in the team gray. Quickly. Up. Foul again. Number 24. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 3. Now good. Personal ready to rebound. No good. They by number 24. Ay! Hindi yung pinasahan. Number 30. Pass 28. 15 seconds. Up! Who's fouled up? Number 31. 13 foul, Team Gray. Oh, foul ulit. Number 24. Ilang foul na 24? 2 shots. Second personal foul, warning for penalty, Team Gray. 2 shots. Shot. Ay, ang ball. Bola ng Green Gray. Number 17. Two pass to number 31. Back to 17 to 24. Bakante, wala rin. Gray ball. Pass number 17. 12 seconds. Ay, wala. Kumang rebound by number 30. Pass to 28. Ay, nabitawan. Gray ball. Winning time, 6 minutes, 45 seconds. Score, 29-10. 19 lead. The Team Blue. 17 to 31. No good. Rebound by number 30. Lecho. Steal by number 6. 24. Ay, sobra. Good. 31 to 14. No good. Oh. Wow. 30 Penalty na po, ref. Penalty. Penalty. 31, that is your second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty, guys. Penalty shots. 2 shots to number kay 0. 2 shots. Yes, 1 point by Adi. Last shot, ready to rebound. No good. Ay! Kuha pa rin ni Adi. Steal by number 17. Up. Wow. 0 Adi. First personal, first team foul. Remaining time 5 minutes in our third quarter. Score 30-10. 31. No good. Rebound ni 31 ulit. Wala pa din. Malas talaga.
Enzo, sure
30
ball.
to the 0. To 29. Number 3. Ay! Number 3. 2 points by number 3. Okay, score 32-10. 17. 24. Wow! Second personal foul, 2 shots. Second team foul. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Good, good. Yes, 1 point by 24. 30. Little. Wala. Got by 14 to 31.
Hi.
31. Doing good. 28. Got up a shot. Yes, 2 points by number 28. Okay, number 17. Driving. Solo. Yes, 2 points by number 17. Score 34-13. Remaining time, 3 minutes. $15 seconds. Alright, traveling violation. Substitution left.
Gutom na po eh.
Ayan na tama. Nagulihan niya mag-gutom. Gulong ko ako. Okay, number 17.
Go, Carl!
Drive.
Ay,
Jacks, 2 points.
so was lisod siya.
2 points by number 21. 30. Nice, 2 points by number 30. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 21. Pass. Nice. Take by number 6. Down ball. Gary boy. Gray ball play. Wait. Okay. Good. Twenty-one. Wala. To 28.
Go, Carl!
10 seconds.
Ay!
Take by number 8 ulit.
Ya, ay!
Ay, agaw ni number 30. Sa sobrang pasa. Gray ball. Remaining time, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Our third period. 17. seconds left. 30. 15 seconds. Foul. Penalty. 21. Penalty left. 21, that is your second personal foul. Penalty. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ay, wala niyo mag-stop. It's retro stop.
Ay, sorry.
Sige lang.
And about third quarter. Score 36-15. Okay, this is our last period to our second game. Score 36-15. 16 lead by Team Blue. May dalawang game pa. May isang game pa last. May isang game. Isang game. Blue ball, blue ball. Blue ball, blue. Blue ball pa tayo. Okay. Fifteen seconds. Ay! Number 2. 21. No good. No good. Rebound by number 2. 7. Rushing it. Number 29. Fade. No good. Blue ball. 7. Steal by number 8. 21. That's by Adi. Wow. Adi, that is your third personal foul. First team foul. Oh, sorry. They're good. One point by 21. Score 16-36. Remaining time 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 7. Yes, 2 points by number 7. 38-16. By number 8. Di umabot. Rebound by 28. Pass up. And traveling violation. Gray ball. Remaining time 8 minutes and 2 seconds to our last period. 21. Thumbs up. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Score 38-18. Oy, agaw by number 14. 21, rushing. Yes, 2 points by number 21.
Go, Carl!
Score 20-38, 18 lead. Number 7. seconds. Blue, gray ball. 21. 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 2. 7. 7. To number 28. Yes, 2 points by number 28. Score 40-20. 20 points lead by Team Blue. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 7. Seconds. Steal by 21 and 14. 21 to number Ali. Traveling. Substitution left.
Pagkakita ko sa ganun yun, nakasabi ako ng tabi. Sorry, substitution.
Okay, 28 and 29 to number 3. Remaining time 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 30. Number 20. 3 points, no good. Up. Great ball. Score 40-20. 17. Moving the ball. 15 to shoot. 21. Driving. Basket count. Who's fouled it? 3. Number 3. Number 3, that is your second personal foul. Second team foul. Ready to rebound. Second shot. Yes, 1 point by number 21. Score 40-23. Remaining time 4 minutes and 36 seconds. What? Foul. Number 18. 18. Substitution. Yes. Sorry. Number 18. That is first person out, first team foul. 30. Yes. 1 point.
Yan, send ka lang tayo. Ha?
30. Yes, 1 point by number 30. Score 42-23. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Wala naman.
17. Sidestep. Yes, 2 points by number 17.
Wala naman. Si Nicolay
Ay,
lang
number
pero
30.
hindi naman nagano si Nicolay.
Oy! Agaw ni number 21. 30 to black. Foul!
Oh my. Kala ko tulad.
Number 30. Third personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots. Given by number 21. Ay, wala. No good. Okay. 21. Yes, 1 point by number 21. 26-42. Number 2. Number 11. Yes, 2 points by number 23. Or number 3. 21. Ang babawi. 15 seconds. Nakalusot. Yes, 2 points by number 21. Score 44-28. 20 lead pa din. Number 29, yeah, 28, yes, 2 points by number 28. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. 21. Yes, 2 points by number 21. 30. 46, 16 points lead. Winning time, 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Number 3, 15 seconds. Foul.
Time.
24, substitution left. Substitution ulit. Number 24, that is your third personal foul, second team foul. Number 3. No good. It's a good. It's okay. Up. Wait.
McLean!
Guys, don't play there, guys. Ball by number 8. Number 21, pass to number 17. Ball by number 28. Angle by number 6. Yes, 2 points by number 6. Score 46-32. 14 points lead. Adi. Babak, by. Ay! Agaw pa din, number 28. 15 seconds. Ay, steal by number 31, Solo. Layup. Ay, by 21. Foul.
Grabe ang malas niyo.
Number 30. Oh.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, guys. Warning for graduate, also number 31. 30 pala, sorry. 21, good. Remaining time, 1 minute and 57 seconds. Stop time na po tayo. Substitution left. One minute and 50 seconds to our last period, number 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pushing the Mandali. Take away number 8. 15 seconds. 31. No good. Rebound by number 15. No good ulit. Take by number 0, Adi. Pass to number 3. No good. Hindi umabot. Number 8 to 15. Driving. 15 seconds. 31. No good. Take by number 30. Solo. Number 28. Yes, 2 points by number 28. 15. Steal by number 28. 55 seconds remaining. Take steal by number 17 to number 31. Mag-agaw ulit to number 0. Ay, steal again by number 17 in gray. 15. Steal again. Number 3 blue. Pushing 28. Ay! 15 seconds. No good. 17. 24 seconds left. 20 seconds. I'll go on to 6. 14 seconds. 15. 10. No good. 4 seconds. 3, 2,